Hello Makanku lovers! Let's unboxing Makanku Festival series. There are 3 ways to cook Makanku Festival series. Boil, steam, and using a microwave. Remove the plastic cover. Then open the package. You will find chili sauce, crunchy flakes, and spoon. First, boil. No need to remove the plastic cover. Put directly into boiling water. Then put the pot lid to cover it. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out all the package. Second, steam. Step and turn a bit the edge of rice plastic cover. Put it into the steamer pot, then put the pot lid to cover it. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out all the package. Third, using microwave. Step and turn a bit the edge of rice plastic cover. Put the package inside the microwave. Start to heat it in high temperature for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, be careful while taking the hot package. You may choose one method from 3 of them mentioned. Next step, use the spoon edge to open rice plastic cover. Do the same thing to the dish. Tear the chili sauce package and put on the rice. Tear the crunchy flakes package and put it on too. Here you go, the meal ready to serve. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.